How to fight bad breath. 8 simple tips for fresh breath all day. Bad breath, also known as halitosis, is a common problem that can affect anyone. Not only is it unpleasant to have, but it can also be embarrassing and impede social interactions. The good news is that bad breath can easily be managed with a few simple habits and lifestyle changes. These 8 tips will help you fight bad breath and give you the confidence to smile and show off your fresh breath all day. From brushing your teeth to drinking more water, these easy tips are effective and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. With a few simple changes, you can be on your way to having fresh breath and enjoying the confidence that comes with it. What is bad breath and what causes it? Bad breath, also known as halitosis, is the result of bad bacteria in your mouth that cause the characteristic smell of your breath. The bacteria, usually found in the tongue, teeth, and gum areas, feed on sugar and produce a smelly gas. This gas can collect on the tongue and teeth, causing a bitter taste in the mouth. While bad breath can happen to anyone, it is more common in individuals who don't brush their teeth regularly or don't use mouthwash. Many of the bacteria that cause bad breath are also associated with other diseases such as diabetes and pancreatic cancer. Therefore, it is important to care for your mouth so that you don't get diseases like these. Brush your teeth twice a day. To prevent bad breath, use a toothbrush twice a day, preferably in the morning and in the evening. Ideally, your toothbrush should be replaced every 3 to 4 months as the bacteria in your mouth change over time. Ideally, you should switch to a new toothbrush after 3 to 4 brushings. It is recommended that you brush your teeth for 2 minutes with a gentle brushing motion. Brush the front, back, top, and bottom areas of your teeth. Avoid using toothpaste that contains alcohol. Alcohol dries out your mouth and doesn't give you the same benefits as brushing with toothpaste. Instead, use a fluoride toothpaste that strengthens teeth and prevents bad breath. Floss and use mouthwash. To prevent the buildup of plaque and bacteria in your teeth, use dental floss to remove plaque from between teeth. Many people don't use floss because they think it is too difficult, but it should be used regularly. Also, use a mouthwash that kills the bacteria in your mouth. Your mouth should be swished with water after each meal to remove food particles and prevent them from building up on your teeth. Scrape your tongue. An easy way to clean your tongue is to use a tongue scraper. This simple tool is used like a scraper to scrape off the bacteria on the tongue. Try to do this after each meal to prevent bad breath. Avoid foods that cause bad breath. Avoid drinking coffee, tea, cola drinks, and other sugary drinks as they cause bad breath. Also, avoid garlic, onions, and hot drinks as they increase blood flow to the mouth and make bad breath worse. Avoid foods that are high in sugar, such as cakes, cookies, etc. Other bad food habits include eating too fast, and not brushing your teeth after eating. When you eat, chew your food thoroughly and brush your teeth afterwards if you drink something like juice. Drink more water. Water is one of the best ways to prevent bad breath. Try to drink at least 6 cups of water daily. This will help clean your mouth and prevent the buildup of bacteria and plaque in your teeth. Fluids also help prevent oral cancers and diseases like diabetes by cleaning your mouth, preventing disease-causing bacteria from building up, and flushing toxins from your body. Chew sugar-free gum. Gum can help with bad breath because it acts as a natural mouthwash. Chew on sugar-free gum that contains xylitol to prevent bad breath. Xylitol is a natural sweetener that prevents bacteria in your mouth from producing gases. It also prevents plaque buildup and has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce the pain of inflamed gums. Stop smoking. Smoking is one of the most common causes of bad breath. It causes a buildup of plaque in your mouth and also gives off a foul smell. When you stop smoking, your breath will improve, as well as your overall health. Visit your dentist regularly. To maintain healthy teeth, visit your dentist regularly. This is especially important for those who use tobacco products. Many people brush their teeth incorrectly and don't floss daily. In these cases, visiting your dentist regularly can prevent serious oral health problems. Healthy teeth and gums are important for good oral health. Healthy teeth and gums can prevent bad breath and keep your mouth clean. Eating a healthy diet that is low in sugar and sodium will help you maintain healthy teeth and gums. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine. Once you've mastered these 8 bad breath tips, you can add more lifestyle changes to prevent bad breath. Try drinking more water, avoiding sugary drinks, and chewing sugar-free gum. Also, try to brush your teeth with a brush instead of toothpaste and make sure to do it twice a day. Bad breath can be relieved with these simple habits. With practice, bad breath can be avoided and you can enjoy the confidence that comes with fresh breath every day.